Hi student, myself Salve Prakash, Associate Professor, Department of Geography, रयत शिक्षण संस्था महाराजा जिवाजीराव शिंदे महाविद्यालय श्रीगोंदा, डिस्ट्रिक्ट अहमदनगर, affiliated Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. Now, FYBSc choice based credit system syllabus, semester first, paper first. Name of the title of paper, Introduction to Physical Geography, paper number first. And today we discuss unit number second, the Earth system, and subtitle Wegener continental drift theory, part second. Last lecture we will discuss about Wegener's informations, explanations and principle. Today discuss Wegener presented following proofs. Wegener's give the evidence. The first evidence, this is the South America and Africa. The both of the countries come together, the jigsaw fits. जेव्हा आपण ते एकमेकाच्या जवळ आणले तर त्या ठिकाणी ते एकमेकांमध्ये तंतोतंत बसतात, जुळतात. म्हणून ती कोस्ट लाईन या the geographical evidence. East coast of east and west coast of Atlantic Ocean reflect similar. Gulf of Guyana's western part of the Africa and South America show jigsaw fit. East coast of North America, west coast of Europe here, and Africa show general fitness. On the same principle, west coast of India and Ethiopia and east coast of Africa show general fitness. Similarly, northern tip of Australia can be well fitted into Bay of Bengal. This matching of coastline maintained about them made Wegener to believe that all these continents of present day had once been part of great mega continents to which he called Pangaea. Okay. Now second evidence, geological evidence. The geological evidence denote that the Caledonian and Hercyonian, these lines is the parallel, and when the broken the two parts, the parallel, the both fronts mountain system of western and eastern coast of area of the Atlantic are similar and identical. The appellations of the northeastern region of North America are compatible with the mountain system of island. Wales and northwestern Europes. Caledonia mountain system. And this is North America. The parallel each one, and this is parallel. But now today the separate parts. Now third evidence is geodesy evidence. Geodesy evidence means distance measuring. The distance between the same landmass show change. For example, distance between America and Greenland and increasingly gradually. Greenland is drifting westward at the rate of 2.2 meter per year. The distance between the Greenland and Britain increased 32 meter in 24 years. The distance between the Vancouver and Ottawa is decreased by 6 meter in this period 9 years. Of the evidence of geodesy expose that the drifting of continental is still continuous. Yeah, India is continuously drifting and now today here located. Similar recorded found the showing the change in the position of the pole by almost 60 degree over the 180 million years. Okay. Then the next paleontological evidence. Yeah, the fossils, various animals, plants, etc. There is a mark similarly into fossils and vegetations remaining found on the eastern coast of South America and western coast of Africa. Yeah, eastern. This region, the same animals, fossils. So, in the ancient times, these area completely together. Now today, the broke up and divergent these positions. Here is also some animals and plants, the fossils available. Then the next, yeah, biological evidence. The flamingo, small type of birds of the northern part of Scandinavia have tendency to run westward when the population enormously increasing every 50 to 20 years. When their populations migrate to the world westward and disappear due to fall in the sea, because now there is no landmass as it was there in the past. The migratory habit of the past seem to be continuous with respect to the migration. This behavior of flamingo prove the fact of the landmass were untitled in ancient times and the animal used to migrate to far off in the western directions. Yeah. Now next evidence, paleontological evidence. The past of South Africa, yeah, still show the glimpses of glacial work in the tropical, which is not possible today. Glaciation of Brazil, Falkland, South Africa Peninsula India, Australia, and Antarctica further prove the unification of all landmass. One land mass during Carboniferous period or these remain of the glacier stems suggest that the both of were part of called Gondwana lands. Okay, yeah, and now objections of Wegener theory. So many scientists across the theory. The first objections: the theory is unable to indicate any sound force that was the responsible for the breaking up to Pangaea, Laurentia, Gondwana, and drifting to the continental blocks. The force suggested by Wegener are inadequate. Now, yeah, second, according to radioactive theories of geology, Wegener has mistaken the horizontal movements of the continents. These movements might be vertical and horizontal. Not horizontal, but vertical as well as horizontal movements. Now, third objections: radioactive sima layer might have broken the continents into pieces because of frictional heat energy. Next objection: some scientists pointed out the critics against jigsaw feet, yeah, jigsaw feet elements in Wegener theory. According to critics, the fitness of some continents is to some extra only, yeah, some extra landmass or extra gaps, not given the specific reason. And lastly, some scientists questions about this time direction on the drifts. How many times the drifting away? Last one, geologists object mainly that how the continent have drifted, which part were drifted. But the Wegener put in theory the first scientific proofs given the Wegener. So the theory is most important. Wegener was the first man to put his idea in the symmetrical sense about origin and distribution of continental and ocean. A recent discovery on Antarctica show present coal, uranium, and copper. At the present climatical situation over Antarctica, it is a very hard possibility of the formation of low coal. It might be continental mass of tropical in the geological past. Evidence of fossil magnesium today also signify the idea of Wegener. The continents more the direction of magnet is divert from that the present dates It shows that Europe, America, India, and Australia have steadily moved northward in the past 200 million years ago. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this is the reference books and the photo source www.google.com and some materials taken from wikipedia.org. Okay, thank you.